about the K&N intake for my F-150. There it is right there. I'm gonna install that in this video. Check it out. Screw right here too. Alright y'all, here's the K&N intake installed on the F-150. Just gonna tighten down a few more things. I do want to mention, if you want more turbo sound, you want to take these out as you're doing your install. They go right in here. I don't know if you guys can see that very clearly, but they're sitting right in there. They're quiet your turbos down a little bit. I took mine out because I want to hear the turbo. Here's another one that goes up at the top there. Took mine out, and I want to hear more turbo sound. Here's the old setup right there under the truck, and there's the new one. Just gonna tighten down a few more things, we'll be able to hear it. It does come with all the hardware. I did pre-assemble it before I started shooting the video. You do want to make sure they're good and tight so they don't rattle off or anything. They're all 10mm or flathead screwdriver bolts. You do want to make sure you do get your rubber boots sat down right so you don't get any boost leaks. Boost leaks suck. Last but not least, Alright. Last thing I gotta put in is the mass airflow sensor, and that's about it. Whoops. Which is right here. Now here it's a bitch to get in there. But we'll figure it out. Alright, she's in, the mass airflow sensor. Let's get a cold start. Maybe not. We'll start it from the inside. Alright, we got no check engine lights and nothing. Looks good, boys. Let it warm up a minute. We'll get some revs out of it. See if we can hear them turbos. Also, I apologize about the wind. It is super windy here in Rhode Island today. But here we go with some revs. Let's check her out. Yeah, sounds good. Throttle somewhere. Well, hell yeah, brother. Alright, y'all. If you'd like to see more truck content, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Bye.